Are we making noodles? Sauce! Utensil. 30 seconds, mate. Peanut butter. We're doing 5-minute peanut butter noodles today. My recipe. Because we're basic bitches today. Right, ingredients. Obviously noodles. Peanut butter. I like the smooth one. Peanuts. I've roasted these myself, but you can just buy the salted bar nuts. Chili oil. Go to my recipe if you want to make it. Otherwise, you can use all the other ones. La Ganma is also good. Seasoning sauce. I like this one. And I also have mushroom seasoning. Shall we get started? Lovely. So we want to get the water boiling. Check your instructions. 1 to 2 minutes. Dunk them in. Ooh, lovely. Utensil. Whilst the noodles are cooking, we're gonna make our sauce. You want good quality peanut butter, look at that. 2 tablespoons, generous tablespoons of peanut butter. Cause I like it. Mushroom seasoning, half teaspoon. Seasoning sauce. That's and then we add chili oil. However much you want. You can always add more on top. So I'm just gonna do this much for now, okay?
How spicy do you like your sauce?
And then what we also need is we need some water from the noodles. So I've just done 5, and then we mix. And then we can adjust. Beautiful. The noodles are done. Directly into the bowl. You might need to add some more water, depending on, because the peanut butter gets really thick really quickly. You add more noodle water according to how loose you want the sauce. Some people like it really thick, so then they have it nice and thick, like the sauce was originally. Some people like it a little bit more thin.
Loosey-goosey, baby.
More soupy. So you add more noodle water in. Time for plating. Wow.
Oh my God, look at this.
Freshly crushed peanuts on top. I like it quite peanutty. And look what I prepared earlier. Deep fried wonton skins for a bit of texture. A little bit more oil on top. My 5-minute peanut butter noodles. Make sure to try it. So quick, so easy. Oh yeah.